Okay, here we are still at Goodwood. We've got thunderstorms in the background, but we're trying to brighten everybody's day up. So not only have we got our full range of jukeboxes here, well not our full range, but a range of jukeboxes, we've also got our 20 vinyl player console, which holds 20 albums, holds them in a rack, flips them over, A and B side. We've got our neon signs. Not only have we got these on show, we've got a whole range on the website. We've got our 1950s Coke fridge, originally from the US and fully restored to its former glory.